What's the meaning of Bordeaux? Bordeaux. Bordeaux.
Bordeaux. Bordeaux. Bordeaux is a city in southwestern France, known for its world-famous wine industry and historic architecture. The name Bordeaux comes from the French words au bord de l'eau, which means along the water. This refers to the fact that the city is built on the banks of the Garonne River. Bordeaux's wine industry dates back over 2,000 years, and the city produces some of the world's most highly regarded wines, including Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and Semillon. Today, Bordeaux is also home to a thriving tourism industry, attracting visitors from around the world who come to sample its wines, explore its historic sites, and soak up its vibrant culture.